What if AI could alert you to critical business changes before they impact your bottom line? Today, we're excited to introduce our new Sentinel agent. It watches over your ERP and HCM data 24/7, analyzing patterns and alerting you to what actually matters to your business. Like all Dayos agents, Sentinel integrates natively with Oracle, Workday, and SAP through our built-in integration and data layer. Let us show you how this works with a real-world example. We have a fictitious SaaS company set up in our development ERP that sells both traditional software subscriptions and AI agent services. Let's assume their CFO wants to stay ahead of revenue trends and customer churn. Let's start by asking Hero Answers a simple question. What is our current subscription revenue compared to last year? Sentinel is like having a business analyst who never sleeps. No more manual report checks, no more waiting for scheduled updates. Just continuous monitoring that alerts you to what matters most. Best of all, you can set up Sentinel for any type of analysis with a single prompt. No coding, no IT tickets, just tell it what to watch for in plain English. Notice how Hero immediately provides answers with full source citations. Transparency you can trust. Let's drill deeper. Which customers contribute to this subscription revenue, and which of these also have subscription revenue generated from AI agents? Watch as Hero recognizes this data requires different reports. Instead of making you search for it, the AI automatically runs additional analysis. In seconds, you have your top 10 revenue generating customers and your top 4 that are also subscribing to AI agents. Which customers are not renewing their AI agent subscriptions? This is where traditional reporting fails and Sentinel shines. Look at these results. Multiple non-renewals with an average contract value of $45,000 are identified. Now, every morning at 8 a.m., if any customer shows signs of non-renewal, you'll receive a detailed alert with customer name and contract value, historical engagement data, recommended actions, direct links to take immediate action, all analyzed by AI. Think about what just happened. In under 2 minutes, we analyzed complex revenue data, identified a critical business risk, set up automated monitoring, something that would typically require IT involvement and weeks of development. That's the power of Sentinel. No more manual report checking, no more delayed discoveries, no more revenue surprises. Your ERP data is full of signals. Sentinel ensures you never miss the ones that matter. Ready to turn your ERP into an early warning system? Sentinel is available today for all Hero platform customers. Contact us to join the companies that are already staying one step ahead in the era of AI. Visit us at www.dayos.com to learn more.